Into no. So opposite will connect it okay wema with DSTV decoder. Ya obaya ne say aha no see ne LNB in. Aha no no be connect it with signal cable no from audition no. Wenya DSTV signal na area no aha no be connect with cable no. In this cable no say na tia what the knife be ya no. Be first layer no. Be first layer ni say. We are want it. So we silver we na wo. We say one team film. Oba mo na to change because I no hold the pictures no. Na any sa wo ma e bi so kan pin na ehim no. So we can hold it we dum decoder no. Na what they will pin no ashes we say. We do pin the shares with now. Now the solid tape, a tape, pin on the cable no. Abo. As I enter when tape wa, enter one say to be tape abo. Even we are on tape, but also tape. To tape boma we say na wa what the sha bepim so I say we try so into mean tightening into I say we try so man short kakra now they are share LNB in no to we are no I connect to ADMI we know what the mouth flash screen and my pictures and here clear to back connect we no say we use flash screen back connect we no I connect here man cause we in pictures and here clear so we need flash screen no we use and as a flash screen now we use no ADMI port in one and also we use AV and as we use old TV we use AV no I connect no I see if we actually AV no I connect no. And as you said, opesa will transfer we no more video no more another TV setup. And we use two ni na or the back another TV. To we say now, I haven't seen here adapter port. I don't know the power decoder no. To the connect to adapter cable. Adapter cable connect TV. To connect to LNB in or connect to ADMI. Either say ADMI and I say AV move back home. To my channel, one subscribe and also be me red and also subscribe. No me I don't mind.